We have brought students from 6 different schools in to do an urban land workshop with EVERFI.
EVERFI is a company that creates digital courses for students K-12. We like to say we're building the missing learning layer, so anything from financial literacy to social emotional learning, wellness. We are dedicated to providing those to schools and districts all at no cost.
We have students from a lot of different high schools that signed up as whole classes. We have some business classes here. We have youth entrepreneurship classes. We have the aviation junior ROTC involved in this. We have some engineering students here, so we have a good representation of a lot of our CTE pathways.
We have partnered with the UrbanPlan Institute, and we are using their curriculum from their workshops to recreate a urban development immersive experience for the students at Wichita schools. So the students are in teams, they have assigned roles, and they are tasked with building a new community and deciding what is best for the people who are going to be living and working and being a part of that community as well.
We're building like a small community, mostly for ecosystem, just to see if students can try it out and see if they can make something out of it.
We all decided to come out here because it'd be a nice, fun opportunity to help us learn about future planning, just in case if any one of us decides to pick this up as a career.
Some say you learn best through play. I would have to agree. So the Legos are representing the different buildings within the Elmwood community.
We're trying to renovate a city that's been run down, it's been lost in time, and we're just trying to make that lively and modern again while still making it nice and affordable.
It's actually pretty interesting seeing how much money it would cost to, move a homeless shelter or putting in a retail store somewhere around the lawn.
Why Legos? Because we felt like it was important for students to really be able to manipulate and see and move around, again, experiment with where things are going to go and why, and have to really communicate and make those important decisions together as a team.
It's very fun as well. A lot of people may think that this might be something that's boring, but it is very fun, I can assure you that.
For students that are more analytical, we do have a financial model as well, so they are inputting the data into the spreadsheet, what they're seeing on the boards. So there's different learning types for different learners here.
This does help build teamwork as well.
Each group will have a chance to record their presentations, and we will send those to the City Council, so that's the ULI professionals, and they will decide which team has come up with the best district based on their work here today. One team will win a gift card, and they will present their presentations to professionals from the UrbanPlan Institute, part of the City Council.
This was an opportunity that we learned about that we really wanted to get lots of schools involved in. We're hoping that we can bring something like this every year.